Hello and welcome. I'm thrilled you've decided to join me today. I'm a woman with years of life experience, and I'm here to reveal 8 secrets that women cherish deeply but rarely discuss. Imagine being able to understand a woman's thoughts, know her hidden desires, and create a bond so strong that she can't stop thinking about you. Does that sound impossible? I promise it's not. In this video, we'll take a fascinating journey into the female mind, uncovering the truths that will not only make you more attractive, but also help you forge genuine connections. Stay with me until the end because I'll share a bonus tip, the most powerful secret of all, that can make any woman fall completely for you. But before we dive in, let's make this a two-way street. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to ensure you never miss content that can change your life. Are you ready to unlock the secrets women rarely talk about? Let's get started. Number 1, the power of touch before intimacy. Touch is a universal language that transcends words. Women highly value the emotional connection created through touch, especially before moments of intimacy. It's not just about physical pleasure. It's about feeling cared for, valued, and safe. A thoughtful gesture like a massage before intimacy can set the tone for a deeper bond. Why does this matter? Women interpret touch as an expression of affection and attention to their well-being. When done right, it builds trust, relaxes the mind, and communicates that you care beyond the physical level. The key is in the details. Softness, attentiveness, and being fully present in the moment. Pay attention to her reactions. Notice how her breathing changes, how her body responds, and adjust your touch accordingly. Think of it as a silent conversation, a dance of connection where you lead with care and sensitivity. When you create this kind of intimate environment, you're not just touching her body, you're touching her heart and mind. This simple act can make her feel deeply connected to you, fostering a bond that's hard to break. Number 2, the art of flirting with respect. Flirting is an art, not a performance. Women love to feel desired, but they also value respect and authenticity. Flirting done right is a playful exchange of words, smiles, and gestures that keeps her intrigued without crossing boundaries. The secret balance shows genuine interest without coming on too strong. Compliments should focus on her unique qualities, her intelligence, sense of humor, or personal style. Rather than being overly focused on physical appearance, use subtle humor to lighten the mood and create a connection. Body language plays a crucial role. A lingering glance or a soft smile can say more than words. When done with respect, these gestures make her feel special and notice to avoid being overly invasive or pushy. Instead, keep the conversation light and fun, leaving room for curiosity. When you master the art of respectful flirting, you not only capture her attention but also lay the foundation for deeper communication. It's this balance of playfulness and sincerity that will make her want to know more about you. Number 3, the power of touching her hair. Touching a woman's hair might seem insignificant, but it's a profoundly intimate gesture. The scalp is filled with nerve endings, making it a highly sensitive area. A gentle stroke or playful touch can evoke feelings of care, affection, and comfort. Timing is everything. This isn't something you do on a first date or without establishing trust. Once you've built a connection, a simple touch of her hair can become a powerful moment. It conveys that you're paying attention to the small details that make her unique. When done right, this gesture makes her feel cherished and emotionally safe. It's not just the physical sensation, it's the message behind it. I see you and I care about you. This small act can create a memory she treasures, reinforcing your bond. Remember, it's not about the act itself, but the feelings it evokes. A thoughtful touch can be the difference between being remembered as just another guy and someone truly special. Number 4, the hand on her back in public. A simple hand on her back while walking together might seem trivial, but it carries significant meaning. It's a silent signal of protection, care, and pride. This gesture says, "I'm here for you," without uttering a single word. However, it's crucial to be subtle. The touch should be light and natural, not controlling or invasive. It's about providing reassurance and showing that you're present and attentive. For women, this kind of body language activates a deep sense of trust and comfort. It taps into the innate desire for a partner who is both supportive and reliable. This simple act can transform how she feels about you, making her see you as someone she can depend on. By incorporating this gesture into your interactions, you communicate a sense of partnership and respect that strengthens your bond. Number 5, be the hero, not the savior. Every woman appreciates a man who stands up for her, but it's not about playing the savior. Small acts of support, speaking up when someone is rude, offering help in difficult moments or standing by her in challenging situations, speak volumes. These actions tap into a primal desire for security and trust. Women value partners who respect their independence, but are also willing to be there when it matters most. It's not about grand gestures, it's about consistency and reliability. These small moments of support show that you're someone she can count on, deepening the emotional connection. Number 6, the power of dreams. Dreams are a gateway to the subconscious, reflecting our deepest thoughts and emotions. Mentioning a dream about her can subtly convey that she holds a significant place in your mind. This simple, seemingly casual comment can leave a lasting impression, sparking curiosity and emotional intrigue. For example, saying something like, "I had the most pleasant dream about you last night. We were sitting at a cozy cafe just talking and laughing," can plant a powerful idea in her mind. It shows that she's been on your mind even in your most unguarded moments. Why does this work? Women value emotional connection and mystery. A comment about dreaming of her taps into her curiosity, while creating a sense of intimacy without being invasive. It's not about crafting an elaborate story, but about being genuine and thoughtful. This gesture leaves her wondering about the meaning behind the dream and your feelings, creating a subtle emotional bond. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity. It's a way to connect with her emotions and make her feel special, without overtly expressing your intentions, leaving room for deeper attraction and connection. Number 7, tight hugs and forehead kisses. Sometimes the smallest gestures speak the loudest. Tight hugs and forehead kisses are two simple yet profoundly meaningful ways to connect with a woman. On an emotional level, tight hug is more than just an embrace. It's a silent declaration of comfort and support. When you wrap your arms around her firmly yet gently, you're saying, "You're safe with me?" This act of physical closeness builds trust and reassures her that you're a reliable and caring presence in her life. A kiss on the forehead, on the other hand, transcends physical attraction. It's an expression of respect, care, and tenderness. This type of kiss says, "You're special to me," without the need for words. It touches her heart in a way that's deeply personal and genuine, making her feel cherished and valued. These small gestures resonate because they go beyond physical connection. They show emotional maturity, empathy, and a willingness to nurture her feelings. When you incorporate these simple yet powerful acts into your relationship, you create a bond that's not just romantic but also deeply meaningful. Number 8, the most powerful secret: listening without interrupting. The art of truly listening is an underrated but incredibly powerful way to win a woman's heart. Women deeply appreciate a man who listens without interrupting, judging, or offering unsolicited advice. It's not just about hearing her words, it's about understanding her emotions and validating her experiences. When a woman shares her thoughts or feelings, she's opening up a vulnerable part of herself. By giving her your undivided attention, you're demonstrating respect and care. Make eye contact, nod occasionally, and respond thoughtfully to show you're fully present in the moment. What makes this so impactful? Listening without interruption creates a safe space where she feels valued and understood. It also fosters emotional intimacy, which is the foundation of a strong connection. Avoid the temptation to immediately solve her problems, unless she asks for advice. Sometimes all she needs is someone who can empathize and acknowledge her feelings. This ability to listen deeply sets you apart from others and builds a trust that's hard to break. By mastering the art of listening, you're not only strengthening your bond, but also showing that you're someone she can confide in, making her feel truly seen and loved. And there you have it, the secrets that women rarely talk about but deeply value. By understanding these truths, you're not just improving your relationships, but also creating connections that are genuine and lasting. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Until next time, take care and remember, the real magic happens when you show up with authenticity and care. See you in the next video.